Hey guys, Savage Slime Reviews, and today we are doing a video on the bouncing bird. This thing's a cool thing that I got, I don't know, just a couple of months ago, and I didn't get to reviewing it. So, I'm finally getting to review it. And this thing is pretty cool. It's somewhat, it's on YouTube, so why not review it? So, I got this on a science order. Yeah, why do you need to know that? I don't know. But yeah, so this thing is really, really cool. So as you can see, it's just bouncing on this pedestal looking thing. You might say maybe it's magnets, maybe it's a string, but it's not magnets. Unless if my finger has magnets, it can do this. Or let's bounce on my pinky, because why not? Let's see, what else can this thing balance on? We're gonna take this thing to my mouse. It can balance on my mouse. My piggy bank. I guess it can. Not just kidding, it can bounce on the piggy bank. Can it bounce on my box? Yes, it can. I'm just kidding, it can't balance on it. But, okay. Can it balance on my lighting? Yeah, no. Wait, yep, it can. It totally can. And yeah, can it bounce on my phone stand? Yes, it can. I could do this for days and just run around my house just putting this bird on stuff. But I feel like this thing is just a cool decoration. And yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.